What is the best way to plant hot pepper seeds in an outside garden container without starting the seeds indoors? What is the best fertilizer to use? And this is Darlene right here in Memphis. So we have two questions. Best way to plant them, okay, in a container without starting them indoors. Then the second question, best fertilizer to use. So what do you think?
Well, the seeds themselves, the reason why people don't always plant them directly, sow them in a pot or a container or outside in the garden, is because it takes up to 14 days for them to germinate. Right. So sometimes 14 to 21 days can be the germination rate, depending on what kind of pepper you've got. And then it takes longer for it to mature and to get fruit. So that's why they usually use transplants, because you'll get fruit faster. Yeah. So that's why people don't. But if you do want to do that, I would just usually plant twice the depth of the seed. So I mean, it's not going to be very much, maybe a quarter of an inch or something, barely under the ground. But it does need to be dark, because they like dark. And then just water it, and I would not fertilize it until after it germinates. So you're going to have a bare area for a while until it germinates, and then you start seeing the plant. And then hopefully you would soil test to know if you actually need to put any fertilizer down. Right. And just do what the soil test says, because you may just need nitrogen. My garden is so overloaded with phosphorus and potassium that I only put nitrogen down now. But I know that by having a soil test.
So it can be done outside?
It can be done in a container. It's just you're going to have to be patient.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.